This video is going to be a demonstration of the kind of communication that happens between a local atom and the platform. So this has to be a demonstration because not everyone has a local atom on their machines and Charles proxy installed as well and configured in order to see the results. So because that's the case, I will simply demonstrate and you can follow along in your activity guide. So this starts on page 1. So this demonstration will show a little bit about the folders of a local atom. And as we have discussed, a local atom installation will contain configuration information for that runtime, plus data on all deployed processes. So anytime that you deploy, we will put a copy of that process locally on that atom so that the atom can run the process with no download delays. So we are going to take a look at the process of deploying to this local atom and the communication activity that you will see once it is deployed. So this is my local atom here installed on the C drive in Boomi Atom Sphere and then my atom itself. These are a number of the folders that we have looked at, and inside here of processes you'll see that right now it is currently empty because there are no processes deployed to this local atom yet. And next I want to open up the Charles proxy tool, which will show me all the communication and traffic between the atom and the platform. And you'll see as it loads that there is a request every 10 seconds or so between this atom and the platform. If I click on any of these individual messages, you can see that there's an overview and the request and the response all available here. So right now there's not that much happening. This is just this heartbeat check between the local atom and the platform. So now let's deploy a process to this local atom to see how it changes the information that's being passed. So I'm going to jump into the build tab here and click on just a previous process that I had. Click view deployment, and I'm going to attach my local atom. So this was a previous deployment that I had done, but I had detached it from the atom. That's why you saw that my processes folder was empty right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and deploy again, and we'll see how that impacts the communication and what's available inside of my local folders. And now you can see as Charles is monitoring the traffic, there's this account folder. And inside of the account folder is the download of every component that was just deployed. So now if we check in the processes folder, you see that there is one deployment now in the processes folder. And that's all there is to that demonstration, simply to show that the local atom is communicating with the platform, and as soon as we deploy, the local atom will have that deployment available and ready to run.